This is Tesla, and this is his chair. He just got this chair. There's just one problem. There's some parts missing from this chair. And that's because a friend of mine gave me this chair, and I took it apart, then took it back to my apartment, and I had lost a couple of pieces. So now the chair doesn't want to stay together, so we're going to have to fix that. And it's this screw that's having problem. This screw is not staying where it's supposed to, and there's a reason for that. The reason is that this metal piece right here is missing, and that is holding this bolt inside. So I need to make 2 more of these for this to hold itself together. Here we have the thingy. It's essentially just a cylinder with a hole in the middle and some threads. And there is a nice groove in the top middle that tells you which way the hole is going, so that even when you're plugging this into a hole, you can still see that, okay, the hole goes like this. So we're just going to have to model this and then print a replacement for the ones that have gone missing. Here's our little cylinder, and I just added a face so that I can punch through without using a plane because I was lazy. Here's our little hole, and then we remove that face because it wasn't needed, and then we add screw threads, and M6 screw threads in this case, and then we add a chamfer so that it's easier to insert the screw, and then we add a notch and some chamfers on the top, and that's it. That's our piece. Now we just have to print it out and we can fix the chair. Now we simply need to drop in the replacement and screw it in. And we're done. And there we have it, another successful venture. Instead of going to IKEA and spending half an hour there and getting the actual parts, I spent 3 hours making this video and fixing the chair on my own. I'll see you next time.